PM session trade recap. Not actually sure why I traded. I think I was just bored and had nothing else to do. This day marks the start of a new rule for trading, and I'm glad I've done this today because now I've got this rule. This rule is if you traded 9:30 open, do not trade PM session at all. No point. I may have said this rule before already, but it's going in now. So we'll do a quick trade recap. PM session 2 till 3, usually. We're in a downtrend. Oh, no. 15 broke up. Didn't even know. Broke up before market open. But overall, you can tell trend is down, really. We had this big 15-minute imbalance here and equilibrium from the 15-minute high to the 15-minute low. Pretty simple stuff. I took a long, really. I think I just traded for the sake of trading. So we see pre-market, we feel this 1-minute imbalance. And we've just broken out of this big range, really, you could say. We've just broken out of this accumulation zone. And market opens, we get a little push up, we make this imbalance, this very tiny imbalance here. And also in line with this tiny imbalance that got disrespected. Literally perfectly in line. Imbalance here, disrespected, imbalance here, created. Also in line with this imbalance too. So it's 3 imbalances all in line. That's imbalanced price action right there. And that was enough for me, along with equilibrium from the low to the high. Got tapped into, we entered off the bullish reaction out, got our fill here. Our stops, again, 20 ticks below, as always. Our target was, first target was here, 1-to-1 RR. Second target was just below the top of the 15-minute imbalance. And we were in profit for a bit. This imbalance held strong for a very long time. And then it didn't anymore, and we got stopped out. That's pretty much it. And then we can see the 1-minute broke structure I marked out there. We respected this imbalance and then just dumped down to this liquidity down here and this liquidity here. A 5-minute lows. No, we haven't even swept out 5-minute lows, so that happened, and then we moved up again back to that same imbalance and got another impulsive move out of that. So I couldn't tell you what could happen next. I'm not familiar with PM session price action, but we are respecting that 15-minute imbalance quite nicely. We just didn't get. I wanted to see equilibrium. I was going to close out one contract. I had 5. I was going to close out one contract there, stop at above break even, rest there, and it wasn't meant to be. So we have ended the day up $25, just below 1% now. Moving forward, I'm happy with that. Again, just learning these little lessons. Finitely adjusting our trading plan, and this PM session should be the last PM session trade, really. The only time I'll trade PM session is if time zones or I wasn't around for AM session. I think this is our first PM session loss. I think. I guess we should have just took this into consideration more. 50% of the imbalance was filled, and we did get a 1-minute break and an imbalance filled and pushed out of. So I guess units at the high, that liquidity. But hindsight, whatever you want to say, that was our trade. It is what it is, really. It is what it is. I will see you guys in the next one.